So we got this thing off of eBay for cheap. It's a Tesla, genuine Tesla CCS connector. I'm gonna take it apart, have a look inside, and maybe. So I am not able to get into this very easily. You can see the little plastic things come off there. There's a button. This thing is seriously tough. I've been giving it some precision and delicate disassembly, and yeah, it is really tough. Not even cracking. And we're in. So it's got some smart stuff in there. Right, so we're here in my BMW E91 electric conversion, just waiting for my firstborn. So I thought I would go through this thing a little bit. But first, if you are interested in electric conversions, do hit the subscribe button. I've got a couple more projects coming up that we'll be featuring. So let's get on with this. So this is the back of the plug, and what I can find out, this chip there is a Max 31826. It's a digital temperature sensor. This particular one I can't find anything about. We've got, this is connected to the earth cable, the earth pin in the middle of there, and we've got the, I can't remember which way around, CP and PP, they both come out on this connector there. The interesting thing is, these DC cables, I was expecting one thick cable. Well, I wasn't expecting because I saw the picture of the bottom of it, but normally I would have expected this as one thick cable. But maybe for flexibility or cooling, I don't know, because these are liquid cooled. If you look, these tubes, they go into the connector, and I'm assuming they cool the pins as well. And yeah, so I've blown in this one at the back there, came out of this one at the front there, so they're definitely connected in a loop. So yep, so these are liquid cooled. As you see, that one would have been there, or that one there, I can't remember whether they're in the inside or the outside. But yeah, that's possibly for flexibility, like I said. Don't imagine it's for much else, maybe. I don't know. Flexibility is the only thing I can think of. Anyway, it's that's the front of it, that's the back. And that's all I've got really to say about this. Liquid cooled, obviously, keep the temperature down, allow it to charge at a higher current than it would otherwise be able to do for the thin cables. And this was obviously a Tesla Supercharger. So yeah, that's all I've got to say about this really. So I don't know what video will be next. It may be my charger upgrade on this BMW, and it could be something on one of the other two conversion projects I'm going to be looking at in the future, but time will tell. So yeah, that's it for now. Enjoy.